Student, chapter number 3, human reproduction. Second theory discuss the female reproductive system. First of all, diagram of female reproductive system. 3 layer. First, endometrium, myometrium and perimetrium. 3 types of layer. Second, uterine cavity, this layer. Uterine fonts, this. Isthmus, this. Ampulla, this. And this structure is an infundibulum. This is also known as fallopian tube. This is a fimbriae. This is a ovary in female, cervix, cerebral canal and vagina. The female reproductive system consists of pair of ovaries. Include oviducts, uterus, cervix, vagina and external genitalia. This and this. And located pelvic region. This located for the pelvic region. Next, these parts of the system along with the pair of mammary gland. This is the most important function of the female reproductive system, includes mammary gland, are integrated structurally and functionally to support the process of only for ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy and birth and child care. This type of function of mammary gland. Ovaries are primary female sex organs that produce in female gamete. First of all, ovaries are the primary female sex organs, contain female gametes. This is ovum cells. Several steroid hormones, ovarian hormones. The ovaries are located one on each side of lower abdomen and each ovary 2 types. This is ovary, pair of ovary about 2 to 4 centimeter to 4 centimeter length is connected pelvic wall and uterus by ligament. This 2 to 4 male MCQ. Each ovary is covered by thin epithelium which enclose ovarian stroma. This. Next, which enclose the ovarian stroma. The stroma divided into zones. First, peripheral cortex and inner medulla. First cortex layer and medulla. Medulla is the inner part and cortex is the outer side. Next, the oviduct means fallopian tube. Contain uterus, vagina, this, constitute of the female accessory duct, this and this. Each fallopian tube about 10 to 12 centimeter long. This. From periphery of each ovary, uterus. The part of closure of the ovary is the funnel shape infundibulum, this, and the edge of the infundibulum possesses finger-like structure. This finger-like structure called fimbriae, which helps in collection of the ovum after ovulation. This procedure for the after ovulation means ovum cells is formed. The infundibulum leads to wider parts of oviduct called ampulla. This is ampulla. Clear? Next, the last part of oviduct, first is isthmus and narrow lumen joins to the uterus. This is a narrow isthmus from the uterus part. Clear? Next point, the uterus is a single and also called womb. Womb means embryo stored. The shape of the uterus like inverted pear, shape of pear shape. It is supported by the ligaments attached to the pelvic wall. The pelvic wall and uterus open to the narrow cervix. This narrow cervix. Next, the cavity of the cervix is called cervical canal. This type of canal After this condition, child is born, which along with the vagina from the birth canal, this is also known as a birth canal, and the wall of the uterus, three-layer tissue, first perimetrium, second myometrium, and third endometrium. This layer function in this NEET Guchket MCQ. The endometrium undergoes cyclical change during the maturation cycle, first function, and second myometrium exhibiting strong contraction during delivery to the baby. Clear? First endometrium function, cyclic changes to the maturation cycle, and second myometrium contraction during delivery of the baby. Thank you, students.